Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to change the page size in Google Slides. My name is Tyler Osborne. So you might want to use Google Slides as a publishing tool. The way that it works is actually pretty similar to Microsoft Publisher, or if you're a Mac user, it's pretty similar to Pages. Google Docs is not at all like Publisher, and it's not like Pages either. Google Docs is specifically a word processor. If you want publishing applications, you really should be using Slides. Now, different page sizes are possible within Google Slides. You don't have to stick just with the widescreen or the standard screen page sizes. To change the page size, go to the File menu, and then you go down to Page Setup. Now, here we have some built-in options. This is the widescreen. Now, I can click on the options here. Sorry, it's taking a second to come up there. There's the standard. Let's press OK and see what happens. Now, did you notice that it changed all my pictures? It kind of warped them. It made every single one of them skinnier. Now, this is something to be aware of in Google Slides. You should be changing the page size first before you create anything, because it automatically warps what you create. Later on, I'm going to be showing how to change the page size in Google Drawings, and this is a key difference between Google Slides and Google Drawings. Google Drawings, you can change the page size and nothing gets warped. None of your pictures change. In Google Slides, your pictures will get warped, so change the page size first. All right, so I don't like this one, so I'm going to take a look at some other options. We don't like the standard. We didn't want the widescreen. There's an even wider one. Let's give that a try, see how it looks. Okay, it doesn't look too different, but my pictures do look like they're better. Now we can even go into the custom ranges, and this is where it gets really powerful. You have a whole bunch of different options under custom. You do inches, centimeters, points, and pixels. I love doing this, either in inches or in centimeters. If I wanted something that is exactly the size of a page that gets printed in our photocopier, this is how I do it. I change this to 8.5 and this one to 11. 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the same size as a piece of paper from our photocopier. You press OK, and yep, my pictures did get warped, but I already told you, you need to make your pictures after you've changed the page size. But look, it's a full sheet of paper. Now everything that I create inside this is going to print just perfectly on a full-size sheet of paper. So if I wanted to use this as a student publication, I could do that. If I wanted to create a yearbook, I could create my yearbook inside of Google Slides and then send it off to the publisher at the correct page size. Now remember, you can go in and change it based on centimeters or based on inches. So if you wanted to do yearbooks or other kinds of publications, all you have to do is communicate to your publisher or your printer what size they're able to make, and you can make the pages to exactly fit that size. I think this is a pretty killer publishing option. So I'm going to go back to my standard here, and hopefully everything goes back to the right size. Yeah, that looks right. That's how you change the page size in Google Slides. Remember to do it before you draw anything, and that's all you need to know. Thanks for watching.